Hello guys, welcome to this Excel tutorial where we will explore the powerful combination of the index and match functions. These functions are essential tools for advanced data retrieval and analysis in Excel. Index function. The index function in Excel allows you to retrieve data from a specific cell within a given range. It's particularly useful when you want to extract information based on the row and column numbers. Let's say we have a table of sales data and we want to find the sales figure for a specific product in a certain month. We can use the index function. The index function syntax is equal to index, array, row number, column number, array. The range of cells or array from which to retrieve the data. In our example, the array is B3 to E13. Row number. The row number in array from which to retrieve the data. In our example, we want to get the sales figure of product D, which is in row number 5. So, we have to put the row number 5, column number. The column number in the array from which to retrieve the data. In our example, we want to get the sales figure of January month, which is in column number 2. So we have to put the column number 2 and that's it. We have the sales figure of product D in January. Match function. Now the match function comes into play when you need to locate the position of a value within a range. It's often used to find the row or column number of a specific item. Imagine we have a list of products and we want to find the position of a particular product in that list. We can use the match function. The syntax of match function is equal to match lookup value, lookup array, match type. Lookup value, the value you want to search for. In our example, the lookup value is product name G11. Lookup array, the range of cells containing the data to be searched. That means our lookup array is B3 to B13. Match type, which is optional. The type of match, 1 for less than, 0 for an exact match, -1 for greater than. We want to get exact match, so type 0. And here is the result. The position of the product E is in the 6th row. Combination of index and match. Here is where the magic happens. By combining index and match, you create a dynamic pair for powerful lookups. Instead of specifying row and column numbers directly, you use match to find them based on criteria. Let's go back to our sales data. We want to find the sales figure for product H in the month of March. First of all, we create a validation of products and month to understand the function better. To create our data validation, go to Data tab, Data validation, select list, select source, OK. In this way, create data validation of months. The combined formula looks like this, is equal to index array, select the whole table like this. Then row number. Instead of row number, we use the match function inside it. Lookup value is the product, lookup array is the whole column of product, and exact match type 0. Again, to match, lookup value is the month, lookup array is the whole column of month, and exact match type 0. Close all brackets and press enter. That's it. Now you can get different sales figure when you change the product name or month like this. In this example, the match functions find the row and column numbers dynamically, and index retrieves the corresponding sales figure. This approach is more flexible than traditional lookups, especially when dealing with large datasets or changing criteria. Congratulations, you have just learned how to leverage the index and match functions in Excel for efficient data retrieval. These functions, both separately and combined, open up a world of possibilities for your spreadsheet analysis. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, share to your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.